Ruben, yeah, I hope you're feeling all right to answer the question.
Sure.
It's been a long wait, and I'm sure it must be great to know that you're finally going to get this opportunity. Just maybe take us through some of the journey and how it feels to finally get this moment.
Yeah, it's pretty surreal at this stage. I think everyone walks a different path. Everyone has a different journey. So for me at this stage, I'm not trying to overthink anything. I'm just grateful for the opportunity and hoping to make the most of it when it comes on Saturday.
Do you think it was out of your reach or at what point?
I wouldn't say it was out of my reach. It's probably always been a goal, and like Malcolm said, it's a big privilege. I think you just try and do your best, and you control the controllables. And if it happens, it happens. In this case now, it's happening for me, and I'm very grateful for it.
Just following on from what Brendan said, I guess you've had to show quite a lot of patience. I remember obviously when you were at the Sharks and weren't sort of in the frame, but did the sort of change of scenery to Cape Town, did that help sort of give you a kickstart?
Yeah, I think it did. Obviously I've got great memories at the Sharks as well. I think I was quite young when I was still playing at the Sharks, and I think I had some good memories, like I said, and good years over there as well. But I think the change of scenery going to Cape Town, the trust that was shown to me by the coaching staff over there, I think that really helped me to be where I am today. So yeah, definitely, I think so. Yeah.
Baie lank loop gewag het ons soos jy het dit dalk nog 'n manier op hand maar ons baie lank gewag het. Ek weet dit amper maar dat ons so veel lekker dit is daarso. As jy hoor ek sê dalk vir ons gevoel dat jy nou daar's rare waarde daar's meer waarde daar reg om misschien nou te word.
Ja, kyk ek dink ek kan nie praat vir almal nie, maar vir my ek waardeer die geleentheid baie, veral vir die feit dat ek so lank gewag het soos wat ek het. So ek sê elke ou se pad's bietjie anders, party ouens moet baie hard in die deur klop, jy weet, en dan word daai deur vir hulle oopgemaak en party ouens klop bietjie sagter en dis maar elke ou se pad's anders. Maar as ek vir myself kan praat, ja, verseker, ek dink omdat ek so lank gewag het, beteken dit vir my vreeslik baie en dis 'n geleentheid wat ek definitief met albei hande wil aangryp.
En daar's was daar so male daar's 'n bietjie moedeloos daar geword het oor die afgelope jare, soms gedink het maar dit gaan nie met my herbeneer dit gaan nie nooit ek
dit ja, jy's maar mens, jy weet jy het doelwitte wat jy vir jouself stel. Daar is jy weet daar's teleurstellings as jy voel jy het 'n goeie seisoen gehad, jy word dalk nie gekies nie. Maar ek dink dis waar ou se geloof jou deurdra en ek dink dis waar ou se karakter ook baie gevorm word en gebou word. Jy weet, en ek's dankbaar vir daai frustrasies ook. Want daai frustrasies vorm jou karakter en daarom sê ek ook, jy weet, ek's jy weet nie sonder om te gelowig te raak. Ek dink jy weet jy leer baie geduld uit hierdie tipe goeters uit en jy kan dalk jou planne maak en jou dinge beplan, maar die Here, hy bepaal jou voetstappe. Jy weet, so sonder my geloof dink ek, jy weet, sou ek definitief baie moedeloos geraak het, maar jy weet, ek's dankbaar om hy te wees.